Are you in a position to run a garment factory in 2025? Then this video will add value for you. Sustainability requirements are increasing day by day. FOB prices are shrinking. And this is creating immense pressure on garment factories, especially in Bangladesh and for similar sourcing countries. To remain competitive, profitable, and sustainable, garment factory must shift their strategy and take some proactive steps. In this video, I'm going to share some steps that a garment factory can take to remain strong in the market. So let's begin. Sustainability comes first. So factory must invest in sustainable certification. Buyers are now shortlisting supplier based on sustainability profile. So garment factory must focus on having all the sustainability certification. They must work with Textile Exchange and SLCP to meet the global standards. This may cost upfront, but they will open door for higher value brands and long-term contract. The second step that a garment factory must take in 2025 is shifting from production to value-added partner. Instead of just being a supplier, become a solution provider. For example, offer design support, tech pack optimization, 3D modeling, suggest cost-saving fabric or construction alternatives, proactively share eco-friendly options, or compliance update. Step 3. Improve operational efficiency. If FOB is going down, that means you need to make more with less. Use IE, industrial engineering tools to reduce SMV. Improve line balancing, WIP control, and real-time productivity tracking. Train supervisor and line leaders on lean manufacturing and GSD. Improving efficiency from 45 to 60% will minimize the cost per minute and dramatically increase the profit percentage. And the fourth step that a garment factory must take undoubtedly is wastage and process loss reduction. Remember, raw material is your biggest cost, and you have to understand wastage equals to profit loss. So, monitor fabric yarn loss in knitting, dyeing, cutting. Reduce process loss with automated markers, auto spreaders, and tighter QC. Train worker on first time right practice. Step 5. Negotiate smarter with buyers. Sometimes FOB price can't be increased, but value can. What can be done is negotiate long-term pricing in exchange for capacity booking. Push for open costing so buyers understand your cost pressure. Offer MOQ-based pricing. Lower prices for bigger lots. Another step that garment factory must take to be sustainable and strong in the market at this moment is modernize infrastructure, mechanically and digitally. Invest in energy efficiency machine that can cut electricity by 10 to 20%. Use automated machine like auto sewing machine or auto cutting AI defect detection, digital compliance and production tracking tools. Step 7 is diversifying buyer base. Do not depend on only 1-2 big brands. Diversify your marketing strategy. Focus on the different markets in the world, like emerging brands in Europe, Australia, Korea. Step 8 is a very crucial steps. That is, develop people, not just machine. Because all the steps that I have described will be driven by people, not just machine. So, garment factory must recruit smart people who has positive mindset, who is willing to develop themselves and their team. So, they need to recruit smart leader who is adaptable because the world is changing so fast. If garment factory cannot catch the trend, then they will stay behind. So developing people will add value to the garment factory and help to make the foundation to take the system from here to there. So what garment factory can take in this regard is build a culture of ownership and responsibility. Train mid-level managers on costing, planning, lean, and sustainability. Upskill IE, compliance, merchandising, and planning teams. Remember, there are many more steps that garment factory can take to become strong in the market. But I have just shared the major steps that a garment factory must take to be sustainable and strong in 2025. So here I'm done for today. See you in next video. Until then, stay safe, stay good. Thank you very much.